Eggs are a breakfast staple, and if you're the type to enjoy one on a biscuit or an English muffin and you don't feel like driving to your nearest McDonald's, an egg ring can help you achieve a picture-perfect breakfast sandwich, just like the pros. Egg rings are ring-shaped molds made to be placed on a pan. 1. Giordano Professional Egg Rings. This all-rounder is thicker and heavier than your average egg ring, which are key qualities for longevity, as well as ensuring that when you crack an egg into the mold, it doesn't leak out of the sides. It's made of all stainless steel with a non-stick coating, and the rubber-coated handle is comfortable to hold and folds down for easy storage. 2. DUT Multicolor Silicone Egg Rings. These colorful egg rings are an affordable option. If you've never cooked with egg rings before, this is a good place to start. They're made of food-grade silicone, which helps eggs or whatever else you're cooking in them from sticking. Just like metal molds, make sure to spray these with a bit of oil before cooking with them, and, some users suggest, preheat them for several seconds to a few minutes before adding in your eggs. A bonus: your egg whites are less likely to leak out if you do so. 3. Coty Nonstick Egg Ring. The non-stick coating on these stainless steel egg rings makes it easy to slide the molds off the eggs when it's time to flip. Many reviewers like this best for fried eggs, because it's so easy for the egg to slip out without losing its shape, making it very easy to flip. Of course, a generous spray of cooking oil on the molds and cooking surface doesn't hurt, either. In addition to eggs, these versatile molds can be used to make pancakes, burgers, and more. If you're making scrambled eggs, they're tall enough to add things like veggies, cheese, or bacon to the mix. 4. Sweeten Stainless Steel Egg and Pancake Mold Set. This bundle includes a total of 6 shaped egg molds, including a classic round shape, a heart, a flower, a star, a Mickey Mouse face, and a Christmas tree. They're made of food-grade stainless steel, which is durable and resistant to high temperatures. Each egg mold has a small knob that makes it easier to move around when cooking. The handle also folds down, making it easy to store. The key to using all egg molds is making sure the pan and mold preheat long enough that the egg white begins to set as soon as you add it to the pan to prevent leakage, but even with a hot pan, some eggs still leaked from these molds. 5. Norpro Silicone Egg Rings. Cook perfectly round, sunny-side-up eggs with these silicone egg rings. There are 2 pieces in this pack, and each measures 4 by 4 by 7.5 inches. You can also use these egg molds for cooking round pancakes, crepes, egg muffins, etc. About 7,890 reviewers on Amazon have given their seal of approval to the product.